规律复习，总的伊的成分是一顶螺啊，一件咱种的咱种裤咯，伊个硬裤带，啊，甲一件咱种四卡棍，一粒贴背。
小作惠安女的话，她是属于汉族，就是很多人可能会看到她这种特色的服装，感觉好像像是那个少数民族一样，但是她是地地道道的汉族人。
是属于了到咧几百年时间当中流传流落来的一件咱种的文化女人最高档的咱种的制作品。
这种做起来那个工好像很大，一件衣服要做很久啊，差不多5、6天、7、8天都可以做。海边风比较大，还有时候那个淋湿的，还那个像那个裤子，它可以给它淋死的。
头巾的话，颜色都是比较喜庆的，像这种大红色啊、粉色，包括金黄色这种比较喜庆的颜色。 现在这种的话，就是属于比较改良的，像我们奶奶那个时候穿的，他们那个头饰就是很繁杂，基本上可能就是单单那个头饰，可能就要花上2、3个小时的时间去梳妆。
In this series, we're looking at how traditional Chinese medicine informs the way Cantonese people eat. Chai Chai Xin, founded by TCM practitioner Cincy Liang, is one of the first beverage shops to make herbal drinks with a mocktail approach. Starting with medicinal herbs, she then works with a mixologist to craft her drinks using different fruits and flavors.
There's always a misconception that healthy drinks cannot be yummy at the same time, and people usually, when they think of getting yummy beverages, they would just go for milk tea, lemon tea, or maybe coffee, and that's where it triggered that I should create a mocktail that is both healthy and tasty.
Their signature drink is rice water and acts as a foundation for the shop's mocktails. It's made from white rice, red rice, and cork seeds.
From a practical standpoint, drinking rice water can help improve your complexion, your energy level, your digestion, and also relieve bloating. Digestive system is the basis of health, and that refers to the spleen and the stomach. This enables the body to digest food, absorb nutrients, and transport throughout the body. So the spleen also has the important function to dispel excessive dampness in the body, and the rice water's main health benefit is to strengthen the spleen and the stomach.
Cincy set up her mocktail menu in a way so customers can easily pick a drink based on their body conditions.
We laid it out in different feelings instead of just stating out the body conditions, so people, when they step into our store, they could just choose a drink according to how they feel. For example, there is one that says, I'm tired, feeling tired, and that it translates into actually you might have a damp body constitution, and there's a constant feeling of fatigueness. There's also another feeling, it's called feeling annoyed, and that is when you have heat in your body, you'll easily feel agitated, and so you could drink something that could reduce and release the heat from your body.
If you're feeling bloated, the Guava lime rice soda is the drink to go for.
We realized that a lot of people would enjoy carbonated drinks.
The soury lime pops from the guava's sweetness, and there's a fizzy sensation with every sip of the rice water soda. The fruit and rice water mix aids digestion, burns fat, and quenches thirst. From a traditional Chinese medicine perspective, people's diet, when it is driven by convenience and shifting attitudes to food irrespective of their body constitution, can be concerning.
They would choose vegan, or they would switch their diet to vegetarian due to sustainability. They will also go gluten-free, or also try out the keto diets. But the pitfall of this is that they're not eating according to their body types, and sometimes it would worsen their existing symptoms and conditions. Therefore, it is important for people to eat according to their body conditions, and that's what we're doing, trying to create a platform to educate the general public about the relationship of the nature of foods and their body conditions. In this way, they could really eat and to improve their health. So the next time you grab food or go grab a drink, you should ask yourself how you're feeling.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Taste Buds, and we'll see you next week.